Morning guys, it's Dan here, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. Guess what? We have got this beast now. Instead of the Subaru, this is the replacement. So the issue is, already taken the battery out, and we've got to remove the gearbox and put another one in, because I think the bearings have gone on the gearbox, because it's got a proper bad whining. This is meant to sound like this. Right guys, just took the clutch out, I've just checked it all, it's pretty much new. Right, I've just unwrapped the new gearbox. Clutch the wheel in guys, and guess what? It won't bleed up. I've literally tried everything, I've pumped. No, I want to cry. Look, just put a master cylinder in, and guess what? It's leaking from the gearbox inside. Guys, it's back on the floor. Bleed all the clutch up. That's all working perfectly fine. Just noticed now that this is leaking, so that's all got to be sorted, which is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. It's only like 10 quid or something for a new rocker cover. Whip that off, that will be done. This is all nice and clean, and there's plastic here. Look at this one, this is all burnt in there, and look, it's all melted. Try and focus a bit. Right, got the battery pack. Good old Halfords battery pack. It's not Top Don, because Top Don don't sponsor me, so maybe they might one day. Maybe they'd be nice enough to send me one, because I don't know. This is not good. This has come apart and now it's in there. And also, well, obviously the car failed in there. Bush will not result in excessive movement near side front rear bush. All that is basically this bush here. Alright. Cool under there. As you can see, the exhaust is completely gone. There you go guys, all fitted. Got all the clamps on. Just letting the putty dry. So there's a clamp there, that's done. All the brackets all back on. There's not. Right guys, the car is completed. Look at that shine. Just need to put some tyre shine on it. It's looking very nice. Back's all clean. Got all nice new mats. Boot. Just got to put this back because I just put new mats in the back. Looking good. Passenger side. other side. Don't know when that needs heating up a bit. Right, there you go. There's no wear or nothing. It's crazy. And obviously it's saying done 84. Obviously the piano dash style. So it's got obviously everything. It's got auto lights, cruise control, heated seats, which are up here. That's heated seats. Obviously for a Vauxhall, it's not too bad. Parking sensors back and front. Auto climate control, so obviously adjust it. Demister in the front and rear. All your steering wheel functions, volume and everything. Auto lights. I think you've also got auto mirror. Oh, there's that ugly mug. Armrest. Yeah, it's a good car. So anyway guys, this is obviously I've got to do the tyre shine still, and then this will be going up for sale probably for about, I don't know, probably 2.8, 2.9 maybe. So obviously you guys know what I paid for it, and I can't tell you the rest until I've sold it, how much it actually owes me. So thought I'd give you a bit of an update on what's going on with the Zafira. It's finally finished, gearbox is all done. I've been trying to look for so many cars, and no lie, I've been around and seen like 3, maybe even 5 cars now. Yeah, and they're all piece of crap. One was a Fiesta, needed a new gearbox. I thought, alright, nice and easy, get a new gearbox and fit it. Went to the car and the whole thing looked like it's been all resprayed with such a bad spray job, but the pictures actually didn't look too bad. Another one was a Peugeot, and what happened was, I knew it was a non-runner, so I went to see it. Couldn't put a battery pack on it because it would not work. There's something wrong with the ECU, which I wasn't too bothered about, but I didn't know the engine was actually running perfectly fine, so I didn't get that one. My next bet is I'm just gonna get a BCA membership. I used to have one years and years and years ago, but I couldn't be bothered because the cars are so crap. But at the moment on Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree and all the usual ads, free ads, whatever, there's literally nothing. I literally cannot find a single car, and it's doing my nutting. So that's will be my next thing. Or I might even try Copart. I'm in an eye of trying Copart because obviously I'm good at what I do, and I could easily sort out a bloody Copart car and see what the big deal is with everyone doing them. I don't really want to do them because I don't like category cars, but I thought I might give it a go for the channel. If anyone likes it, let me know. Yeah, that's basically about it guys, so I'll see you soon. Have a good weekend, see you later.